Welcome! Learn to use the Gogo Dash Connectivity Insights app to get current and historical data on your Gogo system's performance, bandwidth and device use, network health, and available services. Navigate to dash.gogoair.com. Upon login, you'll see the applications that are available to you. It might be only one or two depending on your role. Note the Dash logo in the upper left corner. This is a button available on every screen of all the apps, and it will bring you back to this page. Select Connectivity Insights to begin. You'll arrive at your account's fleet summary page. Here you'll see a map showing your fleet, whether that's one aircraft or 100. The map shows the location and connection status of your aircraft. Note that you can set the time display to UTC or local, meaning the location of the computer you're using to access Dash, as opposed to the location of an aircraft. The Dash Connectivity Insights app allows very flexible navigation. The first way is to use the drop-down menus to drill down to a specific aircraft, flight, and flight interval. Use the bunny trail icon to retrace your steps back to the fleet summary view. Secondly, you can quickly view information on a flight using the map to drill down into detail. Finally, you can scroll down to use the flight interval interface. Here you can review the flight status, connected devices, cumulative usage, and health for all aircraft in your fleet. Sort data by any of the columns to drill down to the information you need. Note that any sorting you perform will stick. That is, the next time you log in, the refreshed data will still be sorted the way you left it. Click the row of the aircraft whose connectivity you wish to review. You'll arrive at the flight summary page, displaying information about the last flight of this aircraft. In this example, 16 segments of the last flight had no connectivity problems. 11 segments may have experienced lower SINAR or DRC. 2 segments were without signal. None were moving out of ATG coverage, and in one segment, the aircraft was below service altitude. The key for these color-coded segments can be found in the appendix of the Dash user guide. Scrolling down, you'll be able to review the individual segments of the flight in the interval layer, looking at either usage or performance in the form of SINAR or DRC. Details on interpretation of the data presented here can be found in your user guide. Now let's look at how to view the details of a specific interval of the flight. Click a segment of the flight to review active and inactive bearers or connection sources, and the altitude, latitude, and longitude of that particular flight segment. Click the Hardware tab to view activated Gogo equipment and access associated user guides. Under the Devices tab, you'll see usage for each device on that particular flight interval. If a network management event occurred during this interval, this is where you would find that information. Under the Services tab, you'll see which Gogo services are associated with this aircraft and be able to access user guides for each service. To generate a report covering up to 90 days of flights for a single aircraft, select an aircraft, click Report, select the dates you're interested in, and click Generate Report. This page gives a high-level summary of the connectivity for this aircraft over time. Refer to the Dash Connectivity Insights user guide for more detailed information.